Jahnavi, Ramachandra.
Hare Krishna Mataji, this is Dina Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Dina Krishna. You can see me?
Hare Krishna Mataji, this is Shubh. This is Rai Prahlad.
Hare Krishna, Rai Prahlad. Wonderful. So nice to see you all. Wow,
Hare
Ramachandra
Krishna
is
Mataji, this is Mukon.
Hare Krishna Mataji, this is Shubhadra and Giridhari. What
Hare
Mataji?
Krishna, Subhadra Giridhari. Ramachandra is already in the mood of Ram Navami, right?
Yeah.
Wonderful. Very nice. Okay, so I'll start sharing my screen. Do you know what's special today?
No.
No. Okay.
It's one day after a Sunday on which we go to temple.
It's 2 days before Ram.
Yes. One day after the Sunday.
It's holiday of Lord Ram.
Yeah. So we all
Oh,
in the Ram Navami, right? We have to have our hearts set in the for the advent of Lord Ram. So we are going to have this week all about Lord Sri Ram. How many of you are excited?
I am.
I
We
am.
missed you on Friday, Mukund. I hope you're doing good.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay.
I just didn't join because we had to do the kirtan and we had to do some other things also.
Okay. No worries. Okay, so we'll start with our prayers, everyone. Om
तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः
Namaste Saraswati Gauravani Jai
Kanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaurakinanda Hare Krishna 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 Hare Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare की जय श्रीला प्रभुपाद की
Hare Hare.
Okay, so what we'll do is yes.
You're not starting live. Now we are.
Are we?
Now we are. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, Mataji, we are live, Mataji.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Subhadra. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll quickly revise this verse together. Okay. So what I'll do is we have only 11 of you joined as yet today.
Yes.
Okay. So Ramachandra, Mukund, and Pranav. Can you start with this verse?
Okay.
Yes, Mataji. Ashwatha sarvavrikshanam devarshinam च narada गन्धर्वाणां चित्ररथा सिद्धानां कपिलो मुनि Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji.
Krishna. Subhadra, Giridhari, and Rishikesh. Can you start this verse?
Okay. Ashwatthahastavavrikshanam devarshina च narada gandharvanam chitraratah siddhanam kapilo munihi. Thank you, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji.
Dina Krishna, Ramachandra, and Khushi. Can you say this verse
I
together?
already said this verse.
Oh, you said it? Okay. So Dina Krishna, Khushi, and Raya Prahlad.
Ashvattah sarvavrikshanam devarshinaam च नारदः गन्धर्वाणां चित्ररथः
Okay, no worries, Bab. Dina Krishna will be doing it again, okay? Everyone will be repeating after me, so don't worry. Okay, then we have... Who else?
Can Samskriti say?
Yeah, Samskriti, Akshita, and anybody else who has not said, can you join them? And Jahnavi. Samskriti, Akshita, and Jahnavi. Can you say this together?
Yes, Master.
Aswatah
Aswata sarvavrikshaणां देवर्षीणां च नारद गन्धर्वाणां चित्रतः सिद्धानां कपिलो मुनिः. Thank you, Mataji.
Very
Siddhanam Kapilo Muni.
Very good. Now, what we'll do is everybody will repeat after me once, okay? So, Dina Krishna, don't worry if you could not say this verse. You can say it after me now, okay? Ashwata sarva vrikshanam
Aswatah Sarvavrikshanam
eva vishinam cha narada
Devarshina Cha Naradaha
gandharvanam chitraratha
Gandharvanam Chitraratah
siddhanam kapilo muni
Siddhanam Kapilo Muni.
ashwatha sarva vrikshanam. Dina Krishna, we're saying it twice again. Devarishinam cha narada
Devarshinam Cha Naradaha
gandharvanam chitraratha
Gandharvanam Chitranitaha
siddhanam kapilo muni.
Siddhanam Kapilo Muni.
Very good. Rishikesh, can you read the translation for us?
Yes, Mataji, of all trees and the banyan tree, of all sages and the sages among the demigods and Narada, of the Gandharvas I am Chitrarata, and among respected beings I am sage Kapila.
Very good. Among the perfected beings, I am sage Kapila. Okay. Very good. So we'll go to the next verse. Okay, you want to say, okay. So let us try if you can. Otherwise, you can repeat after me and then we will go. Okay. Akshita and Rishikesh. Can you say this verse together?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Uchaishram
Ashwanam Vidimam Amrito Bhavan Airavatam Gajendranam Naranam Cha Naradipam.
Thank
Very
you,
good.
Mataji.
Wonderful. This is a little bit hard verse, but then the first word is a little bit hard to understand. But that's very nice you did it. Aditya and Dina Krishna, you can say along with me, okay? After some time, Aditya and Krishna Nena, can you go ahead with this verse?
Okay. Uchai Shravasama.
Ashwanam.
Wait, Dina Krishna is saying it too, right?
Dina Krishna is not saying it. I think Krishna Nena. If she is not saying it, you can go alone, Aditya. No worries.
Okay. Uchai Shravashamaswanam Viddhimam Amritodbhavam Airavatam Gajendranam Naranam Chana.
Radhipam. Very good. Okay. Dina Krishna and Dhruba, can you repeat after me? Or anybody, if you feel, yeah, anybody if you feel you want to repeat after me, you are more than welcome to repeat, okay? Uchishrava Shwana. Uchishrava Sama Ashwana. Vidhimam Amrito Bhavam. Vidhimam Amrito Bhavam. Ravatam Gajendranam. Ravatam Gajendranam. Naranam cha Naradhipam. Naranam cha Naradhipam. Ucheshrava Sama Ashwanam. Vidhimam Amrito Bhavam. ऐरावतं गजेन्द्राणां
ऐरावतं गजेन्द्राणां
नराणां च नराधिपम्. Very good. Jahnavi and Ramachandra, can you go ahead and say the verse?
उच्चैः अस्मानं विष्टिममृतोद्भवम् ऐरावता गजेन्द्राणां नराणां च नराधिपम्.
Very good. Varun and Mukund, can you go ahead with the verse?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay.
उच्चैश्रवसमस्वानां
Vishwashnaam Viddhi Mam Amritoদ্ভবम् Airavatam Gajendranam Naranam Chanadipam.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Krishna Nana and Raya
Hare
Prahlad, can you
Krishna,
go ahead with this
Mataji.
verse?
विद्धि अमृतोद्भवम् ऐरावतं गजेन्द्राणां नराणां च नराधिपम्.
Very good. Wonderful. Okay. Jahnavi, Aditya and Akshita, can you go ahead with this verse? Aditya, Akshita,
Mataji, I already said it, right?
you said it? Okay. Okay. Rishikesh and Moksha,
I said it before.
you said it? Okay. Moksha and Pranav, did you say it? Moksha, Samskriti, Pranav.
I didn't say Mataji.
Okay, go ahead then.
उच्चैश्रवसाम् अस्वानां विधिमामृतोद्भवम् ऐरावतां गजेन्द्राणां नराणां च नराधिपम्.
Very
Thank
good.
you, Mataji.
Wonderful. Okay. Shreya, Subhadra, and Giridhari, and Suraj. Can you say it together?
Yes, Mataji.
ऐरावतं गजेन्द्राणां
Very good. Subhadra, Giridhari, you said, right? Suraj? Khushi?
Yes, Mataji. I thought you didn't call me.
Okay. Karthik, are you there? Okay, so we'll go. Who else is left? Okay, for 1 second, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower all the hands. Okay, so if there is anybody else who has to say, did everybody say this verse, or is anybody remaining who wants to say this verse? Okay. So, Raya Prahlad, can you read the translation for us, please?
Yes, Mataji. Of horses know me to be Uchahi Savasha, produced during the churning of the ocean for nectar. Of lordly elephants I am Airavata, and among men I am the monarch.
Very good. Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay. So, who wants to say this verse now? The next verse?
Can
Rishikesh, yeah, Rishikesh, Mukund, and Varun. Can you go ahead with this verse?
Yes, Mataji. Kamaduk Rajanastasmi Kandarpa Sarvanamasmi Vasuki. Hare Krishna, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji.
Mataji, Hindi Krishna say.
Yes, Ojasvi and Deepa Krishna, can you go ahead with this verse?
Yes, Mataji. Ayudanamamrajande Denunamasmi Kamaduk Prajanashasmi Kadarpaha Sarpanamasmi Vasuki.
Okay, very good. Jahnavi and Raya Prahlad, can you say this verse together?
Ayudanam bhajam
Very good. Akshita, can you read the translation for us, please?
Yes, Mataji. Of weapons, I am the thunderbolt. Among cows, I am the surabhi. Of causes of procreation, I am Kandarpa, the god of love. And of serpents, I am Vasuki.
Very good. Thank you so much. Okay. So now we are going to move to the next part of our class, which is the qualities of Lord Shri Ram. Okay. So see, there are innumerable of qualities, right, of Krishna we're doing. So it's not that only Lord Ram has only 16 qualities. He has all so many qualities. But the main which when there was a conversation between Valmiki Muni and Narada, these are the 16 qualities which he had mentioned, and that's the reason we are emphasizing more on these 16. That does not mean that Lord Rama has only 16 qualities. Okay. So these are some qualities which we are doing. Today we'll be doing 4. So we'll be dividing 4, 4, 4, and all the 16 will be doing it in 1 week. Okay. So the first quality of Lord Sri Ram is, see, one pastime when we are narrating, there might be many qualities. Okay. So what we are going to do is we'll try at the best to find out all the qualities which we can find in that one pastime. So the first quality of Lord Sri Ram, which we are going to do, or the first guna of the Lord, which we are going to do, is Lord is Gunavan. Okay. So we are going to read what is Gunavan and what exactly is explained in it. Okay. So be unconditional. Now, when the Lord is explained as Gunavan, that means he already has all the gunas in him, right? But in this, what is explained is that the Lord, no matter how high position he is on, he is not going to look down on somebody else as being small or somebody else being lower than him. He is available for each and every one, right? When you are in any difficulty, does it happen that, oh, you see, oh, the Lord is so big, how can I go, will the Lord look at me? Do you feel like that? Do you feel it in such a, or you just run to God, or you just ask for help to the Lord? What do you do? Haribol, is everyone there?
Yes. Yes.
We run to Lord, right? So the
Yeah.
same way over here, the Lord is available every time whenever his devotees need him. And he does not differentiate. He does not have any condition that, oh, if a person is having so much of wealth, only then I'm going to look after him, or only then I will grant him any wishes. Nothing of that sort. The Lord does it unconditionally love for each and every of his devotee. Okay. So now over here in this Gunavan, what is explained is that how Lord Ram treated everyone equally. Okay, the story of Guha, the person who was rowing the boat, he or the hunter or Sugriva, when Lord Rama went into the Aranyas, over there, how he met Sugriva, he did not differentiate over there that, oh, he's a monkey king, how I should be friends with him. But when he saw Sugriva, after they had a talk, he immediately embraced him and he took him as his friend. When he saw Guha, wait, I'll have the photos over here. Okay. So when Guha knew Lord Rama from the beginning, and he was so happy to see him. Only he was sad that Lord Rama and Mother Sita and Lakshmana, they were on exile, that they were going to go for 14 years outside of Ayodhya. And you know what? What he said was that after 14 years, if I don't see you back, I am not going to live one day also if I do not see you. This was the love which Guha had. And when Lord Ram saw Guha, Guha came to touch his feet, but Lord Ram quickly embraced him. So this was that Lord Ram did not differentiate between a small person or a big person or a vanara or a human being. So his love for his devotees is unconditional, and it is always going to be unconditional. And the best story which I wanted to tell you about here is, how many of you know about this story? What do you see in this story?
The squirrel, Master Squirrel trying to help build a.
Right?
I don't. Squirrel trying to help Lord Ram and the monkeys build a bridge. Oh, I think I remember. Know the story.
Yeah, when the bridge was
I
getting
know the
built,
story.
yeah, when the bridge was getting built, each one of them was doing their own work, right? But there was a small squirrel who was trying her best to do whatever help she could do. Okay, so see, Lord Ram could he could recognize her work also, and when one monkey tried to look down upon her, Lord Ram picked up the squirrel and he appreciated her work. He even showed the Vanaras that, see, look at this rocks. There is one rock over there which might fall off. But because of the pebbles which this squirrel has been throwing in, those rocks are in shape. Because the pebbles have gone in between the rocks, and now the shape of the bridge is getting structured because of it. So Lord Ram over here again, he is Gunwan. He will not look down upon anyone, but he treated every one of his devotees as equally. So this was the characteristic of that the Lord is Gunavan. We might have to just go a little bit more ahead because they will be explaining four qualities today. Gunavan. Okay, and then the second quality of the Lord is that the Lord is Viryavan. Now, from the word, what do you understand? Anything you understand from the word?
He's
I heard it.
like brave.
He's a warrior.
Warrior, okay. Warrior and
He has like
He
courage
killed
and
many
brave.
demons and liberated them.
liberated them. Very nice. Okay, so this is what we're looking for. So Lord Rama, you know what, when the Lord, when we hear about Ramayan, we feel so sad, right? Oh, why did Mother Kaikai do such a thing, and why was Ram exiled? But you know what, this is what had to happen, that Lord Ram, he had to be in exile because there were so many of them waiting for Lord Ram to come so that they could be liberated. Okay, and the Lord is Viryavan. That means the Lord is very courageous. He is, I think I had this slide. Where did it go? One second, okay. I think I had that slide, but I think it is messed up. Okay. So the Lord is Viryavan. That means, yeah, this one. Okay. Ramachandra, can you read this for us? Viryavan?
Okay, Viryavan. This can be interpreted as strength. It's well known that Lord Ram was a great and fierce warrior, bestowed with extraordinary power and strength. Hence, along with the Saushiliam, if Viram, strength joins it. This combination might prove deadly to any enemy in this world.
Very good. So the Lord is a Viryam. That means he has strength. He is fierce. He will fight with all his powers and his all his strength. Okay. But at the same time, the Lord is also compassionate. Okay. The Lord is courageous. First thing, the Lord is courageous. Then it is explained that he is Shauryam. That means he has a lot of courage, but he is also confident that he is going to win. Okay. So first is that he is a warrior. He is courageous, and the second is shaurya. That means he knows that he is definitely going to win, which is again, you know what, when you do some work and you are confident enough that you did it, that time the intensity of the work becomes more, because you have put in your efforts, you know that you have put in your efforts, and then you are confident of winning. So this is what happens, that he is virya, that is, he is a warrior. Second thing, he is shaurya. That means he's confident of winning, and parakram means he is not scared of anyone. And when these three combine together, it is the viryam. That means this becomes a very not a deadly, but I can say a very big combination, wherein nobody can ever defeat that person. And this is the main quality of Lord Sri Ram. Now we are going to see, with respect to this quality, the story of Tadka also. Okay. Now Tadka was a demon who was troubling all the rishis and the munis in the ashram. Okay. So then Lord Rama was called so that he could kill the Tadka demon. Now, when Tadka, she was a very fierce, like look at Tadka, how she looks. No? Today in the morning, Prithivilasini Mataji also took up a class, and it was said that this Tadka had elephant heads on her neck, and elephant heads.
Mataji, she looks very unauspicious.
Yeah, she
Like
looks on.
she wears skulls and all that.
Yeah,
That's very
skulls of
unexpected.
elephants. Yeah. And what happened was, see, Lord Ram, he is compassionate as well. So what happens when he saw that this is a female, what he did was he just cut her limbs. Okay, he did not want to kill a woman. See, look at the Lord. Though the Lord knew that she is causing a lot of trouble, she did not want to kill her. He just wanted to kill her limbs and just leave it. But then when he cut her limbs, what happened was Tadaka, because of her mystic powers, she became invisible. And being invisible, she tried to harm, or she tried to harm Lord Ram and Lakshmana. Now, this was before they went into exile, okay? So when this happened, he was like the spiritual master over there. What he said was that do not be compassionate upon her. You feel that she is a lady or she is a woman, and that is the reason you're not killing her. But do not do that. She has been troubling all these are rakshasas, and they have been troubling everyone, and they are a lot of trouble for the all the rishis and the munis who are doing all the tapa. And when the Lord Rama heard about this, what he did was then he pierced an arrow, or he had a arrow which was shoot, and then a Shabda Bhedivan, because what had happened, she had become invisible. We could not see her. Lord Rama could not see her. And the Shabda Bhedivan was sent, and that pierced Tadka, and then she was killed, and then she was liberated rather. Okay. So this is that the Lord is Viryavan, or the Lord is very, very courageous. Now the third guna is that the Lord is righteous. What does righteous mean? Anybody has any idea? Or dharma
He
gyan?
follows dharma.
Yeah.
He follows dharma. Okay. The path of righteousness. Okay. Let me have this. Okay. A person who is merciful is really following dharma, shows mercy to everyone and to enemies as well. Simply put, he will always stuck his values, whether it is meant leaving his kingdom in, or leaving for exile, or destroying the evil in the form of Vali. So these are the example, or these are the pastimes which were done by the Lord. Shurpanaka was also an example of our righteousness. Okay. So now, when the Lord was in the Aranya, what happened was that Shurpanaka, she saw the Lord, and she saw Lakshmana also. And she was so mesmerized with them that she wanted to marry Lord Ram. When Lord Rama, when she told Lord Rama that, oh, you are so beautiful and I want to marry, she told about herself that she is the sister of Ravana, how many brothers she has, and all she told. And then she thought now Rama must be impressed with her and he will marry her. Okay, but Lord Rama said, you know what, why don't you marry Lakshmana? And Lakshmana said, oh, no, no, I am just a servant. If you marry me, you're just going to be a maid servant of Rama and Sita. So why don't you marry Ram? And when Shurpanaka, she thought that, oh, you know what, because of the Sita, these both of them are not marrying me. So let me go and hurt the Sita. And when she was about to hurt Sita, Lord Rama instructed Lakshmana, and then Lakshmana chopped her nose off. See? So over here also, they did not,
He
yeah, they
chopped
did
off
not
their ears
kill
too.
her. Sorry, go ahead, Ramchandra.
Some people say that Lakshman also chopped off her ears.
Yes, that's what. But when I did not see this photo over here, I had written
Mataji,
ear and nose, and then, but they did not kill her. It was just a small punishment which they gave her for whatever she had done to Mother Sita. Yes, somebody had something to say.
Mataji, I have a question. I don't
Yes,
remember what Lakshmanji had used to do that. Was it like a blade of grass?
They say sword.
I think it was a
I don't know.
sword. It was a sword which he used to cut her nose, because that was
Mataji,
instant.
I think it's an axe, like a mini hand axe.
Okay, I'll exactly find what it was. Okay, and I'll let you know in
Like
the.
that type of axes that people need to carve
Chop.
bows.
Okay, let us see. Okay, we'll see in the next class. If there's anything else I find out, I'll just let you know, or else we'll ask Mataji also about it. Then the fourth guna which is explained is about being grateful. Okay, Kritagnya. So being grateful is that the Lord, the example over here, which are the stories which are given over here, there are many. We'll try to do all the two, but we'll see about this. Who knows about this story? Anybody has an idea
Yes, Mataji.
about
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji.
Jatayu.
Yeah,
It's about
so
Jatayu.
Jatayu. When they found him, then he thanked Jatayu for trying to save
Jatayu.
Sita.
Jatayu, when he saw
When
that Lord,
Jatayu died.
yeah, when Jatayu saw that that Mother Sita was being abducted by Ravana, he tried to speak to him. He tried to tell him all the shastras, but Ravana did not listen. So Jatayu, though he was very old, he tried to fight all by himself and tried to stop Ravana from taking Mother Sita. But because he was old and because Ravana was a lot powerful, what happened was Jatayu's his wings
Wing.
were cut and then he was thrown down and he
Yeah,
fell down.
and then Rama helped him because he was good.
Yeah, so and Jatayu held on to his life till Lord Rama came over there, and then Lord Rama, when he was told by Jatayu that Ravana has taken Mother Sita, and that time what happened was Jatayu, he when he left his body, the last rites of Jatayu were also done by Lord Ram. Okay, so this is such a big thing, right? And Jatayu was liberated after Lord Rama did the last rites for him. So this is out of gratefulness. What he did, what Lord Ram did was out of gratefulness that Jatayu showed. Like Jatayu tried all his best to help Mother Sita, right? So that was just a small act by the Lord towards Jatayu. Then there,
like Kabanda?
yeah, this is Kabanda. See,
The
this
long
Kabanda,
arm.
Yeah, I was trying to remember his name.
The
yeah,
long armed guy.
yeah.
He was a
is that?
Earlier he was a
Kabanda. He's the one.
Gandharva.
he was a Gandharva and he got cursed.
First,
He was a Gandharva,
and
but
he had
then out of
super long hands.
yeah, out of some sort of mischief, he used to trouble some sages, some munis, and then what happened was Indra, he gave him he cursed him. He cursed him that his body would be fused and his mouth would be near his stomach, and he
Belly.
became a yeah, he became a person who looked all sort of different. See, his mouth was all attached to his stomach, and then Kadamba said
Actually,
that how am I going to
Kabanda,
eat? Kabanda,
it is known that he was proud of his opulence, so someone cursed him.
Indra.
Mataji,
Yeah.
Yes.
why did Indra curse him like that? Because
He was
then
proud
he
of his
could.
opulence.
Yeah, I understand that, but I didn't
Open from
understand
your
why.
side, there is a disturbance. Some bell sound is coming whenever you
Yes.
are using.
Yes, Mataji, my aarti is going on.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so because of some mischief which he had done, he was cursed by Indra, and then his what happened was his limbs was cut. No, he his mouth was fused to his stomach, and then oh, how am I going to eat? Then what happened was Indra, he said that okay, you will have limbs, and then but you will remain like this till Rama and Lakshmana come into the forest, and then they liberate you. But then when he was waiting for Rama and Krishna, so what he used to do whenever any people come, any person he used to see in the jungle, what he used to do, he used to with his whole arms, he used to go and try to grab them. So in the thought that someday Rama and Lakshmana will come and they will help him liberate. So what happened was when Rama and Lakshmana came, what happened was he said that I if you liberate me, then I will let you know the name of a person who is going to help you in your further finding of Mother Sita. And that way, again, Lakshmana and Rama, they did the last rites for Kabanda, and then when he got liberated into his Gandharva body, he showed them the way to go to
Kishkinda.
yeah, to go to Kishkinda and then find their way to
I
find
told
Mother
about
Sita.
Sugriva.
So this is the way how the Lord has been grateful, and when he was grateful, he has done all his activities in order to liberate even the demons. Okay, everybody's understood what we have done, at least some part.
Yes,
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
We have Mataji waiting for your Sanskrit
Mataji,
class
can
today. You have
Balwina
your
say
notebooks and
something?
pencils with you?
Mataji,
Hare
can
Krishna?
Balwina say something?
Yes, Balavrinda. You have your notebooks and pencils open till Mataji is already there on the call.
Oh
Yes,
wait,
go
are
ahead,
we having
Balavrinda.
Sanskrit class?
Yes, you're having a Sanskrit class. Where's Mataji? Finding her.
Mataji, I can't turn on my video.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
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 Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji. This is Shreya.
Hare Krishna Mataji. This is Dina Krishna.
We can't hear you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji. This is Hojasvi.
We can't hear you, Mataji.
Yeah, we can't
Mataji,
hear you.
you're
but you're
unmuted,
unmuted.
but we cannot hear you.
Okay. You can hear me now, right?
Yes.
Yes, Mataji. Now